What is up, Giz Army? So look, I know some of you guys maybe y'all have some space issues, especially my girls out there have some space issues when it comes to traveling. And baby, let me tell you something. I'm gonna make sure I have everything I absolutely need when it comes to skin, hair, makeup. I'ma have it, but we also need room in that bag for them clothes and them shoes and everything else. So if you're looking for some solutions, some very effortless, convenient solutions that take up less space, but make sure you got all you need when it comes to traveling with your necessities, the essentials, you come to the right place. You know I got you. Let's get into it. Here are the bags that I typically carry when I am traveling. I've seen these online. It came up in like a Facebook ad. I can fit a bunch of my stuff. I bought 3 bags. I bought a makeup bag, a skincare bag, and a hair care bag. And I didn't need to bring my hair care bag because these 4 things right now are the only things that I have carried as far as hair goes. So the rest of this stuff is makeup and skincare and hygiene. So I kind of want to show you what all fits into these little bags and how compact they are. So I'm going to remove everything that I currently have in the bag, then like show you what the inside the bag looks like. So here is what the bag looks like. So it has like pockets and everything. And essentially when you open it, it places the bag flat, like you get a flat kind of surface. But when you close it, it zips up like a little bag. See? Super cute. I would say it's like maybe 10 inches. So I can fit 3 of these like even in my carry-on bag, and they're completely fine as far as room goes, and I still have extra room. Okay, so all of this came out of the bag, and now I'm just going to place it back in there. So showing you guys like how I pack it. So essentially I take like all of my pins and I'll put them in this like middle part. And then I have the pad here, and then I essentially kind of separate by like either face and then eye, but it just all depends on how much room I have. So let's do face. So I have my Lacombe I'm about to throw in there, Black Radiance foundations, concealers, contour. I can put my wipes in there too. Throw in our 2 sponges, and then we're gonna move on to the other side. So I'm gonna drop my face stuff. So I got my blush, highlighter, Lancome, mascara, blush, honey, Fenty, Milani, eyeshadow, a brow sculptor, Issa Laurent lippies, our finishing spray, and our primer, which really should have went on this side. And then we have eyelashes. Probably could fit this in there, but it didn't go in there. So I'm gonna try it. Loose setting powder. You know how we be trying to put this stuff on the back of our hand, the foundation and stuff? Yeah, I bought these off Amazon. And we have clean skin wipes. This is the only thing that I didn't put in there originally. So we're gonna see if it closes. If not, I'll take this out and then I'll show y'all that all of it fit. Okay, look. Alrighty. Looks like this is successful. Looks like we're successful. Look at that. It all fit. So I'm telling y'all, get y'all some space savers. This is what I would consider to be your space saver. I did the same thing with my hygiene and my skincare. Right now you see like I got pads and all sorts of other things going on in here because this is basically just what I'm using to collect other things that I had like loose in my bag. But I also want to show you guys kind of the same thing with the hygiene. Typically, like I'm pretty organized, but in this case, I was rushing to make it to my flight. So forgive me. Also gotta grab the other skincare stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and like put some stuff in there that has been unorganized. Actually, I kind of do like skincare, hygiene, but I think I have more skincare stuff than I do hygiene. So let's start with hygiene. Listerine, Venus razor, shaving cream, toothbrush, toothpaste, dental cleansers for my, I call them my teeth, but they're really called retainers. Okay. Spray, lotion, and then now we're getting into the skincare side. So cleanser, serum, moisturizer, oil, lip moisturizer and mask, moisturizer, oil, sunscreen, eye patch. I'm gonna put all these pads on this side right here. Another sponge, wrist cuffs, deodorant. I don't know if this gonna close, y'all. We gonna see. Here's what we have. Okay. Okay, look. Okay, it closed. Yes. Okay. So, 2 that closed. Okay, getting into it. So this is what I use, you guys. All the links will be in the description. Be sure to subscribe to your girl for more convenient beauty tips. We are in our effortless era, you feel me? Comment below and let me know if you have any tips that you use to save space in your luggage. Because yeah, your girl will be traveling, especially as a full-time creator now. Additionally, if you haven't checked out my makeup routine, be sure to check out that video next. And I will see you all on my next upload. It is your girl, LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace. Bye.